Hello beauty queens, and yes, I am back with another video. I am so excited about this video today because I will be doing an unboxing, and my unboxing is from Kendra's boutique. I have this big box here, and we're going to be unboxing a full lace wig today. So just a quick little background about me. I wear Kendra's boutique hair non-stop since I've been here on YouTube, pretty much. And I've been wearing her hair for about the last 4 to 5 years. And my first batch of hair, I wore it as a sew-in a couple of times, and then I turned it into my first unit. And from that point on, I have been rocking the Kendra's boutique hair, and I've been creating my own custom units with her hair. And this is my first full lace wig, period. And it's from Kendra's boutique. So first of all, guys, I just want to say thank you to Kendra for sending me a unit. You know, I've been purchasing my hair. This is the first time she's ever sent me hair before. So, and of course, I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion about the hair. But I'm so thankful that she would send this to me, because I know there's a lot of people who wear her hair, and she's been supporting my channel, and I'm a small YouTuber. She's been supporting my channel since the time I first made a video, and she was impressed with my video, I guess, from there, and we just always had this relationship with one another. And I really love the owner. She is really sweet, and she's such a boss, and she's such a woman, she's such a lady. So I really love Kendra, and I love her hair, but that is besides the point. And just because I love her and love her as a business owner, I would definitely be upfront and honest with you guys about all the reviews that I'm doing, because I am just a regular working class lady, and I like hair, and I like good quality hair. And this is one of her units. This is one of her this is her hair as well that I turned into a unit. You guys remember me making this wig actually in a video previously. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just be straight up with you guys. But the first video I'm going to do is an unboxing of all the goodies that she sent over to me. Thank you so much, Kendra. I am forever grateful for all the love you've shown me and my channel, okay? And so we're gonna go ahead and get into it. So the first video will be an unboxing. The second video, I will be showing you guys how I lay that full lace wig. So we'll see how everything looks on there. And lastly, I'm gonna come to you guys maybe in a couple months or so and just give you guys my honest review on that full lace wig, okay? So let's go ahead and get into the video, okay? Alright guys, so first things first, let's go ahead and open the box. And of course, it is wrapped up with some bubble wrap, and of course it's pink because Kendra is such a doll. I am definitely a hair bar of Kendra's. Y'all, I promise, it's like every time I want to get out there and try a new company for y'all, it's like, I don't know, it's just that I trust her hair. And what I'm going to do, I actually have 3 wigs of hers. One of them is a frontal wig that I made, and I butchered it. You guys will see that, you know, over time of me doing hair. Another one I have is a body wave. That actual wig, the closure to me was not as big as I would like. And my third wig is my deep wavy that you guys always see me wear most of the time, and it is kind of balding out. That's my oldest one. She's about maybe 4, almost 5, no, maybe 4 years old. So I want to get 3 new closures and make all 3 new units with the hair, because the hair is gorgeous still. It shakes back as soon as I wash it. So I kind of want to do that, go in, order 3 closures, and remake all 3 of my wigs. Because to be honest with you, that frontal one, I barely even wore the hair, because this is when I just started off with frontals, and I kind of butchered it up. But no. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to go into the box, and the first little treat we have is, of course, a hair brush. I love her brushes so much, and my flat irons that I love so much are like this too. So I'm so happy to have another brush. I do have one already, and I'm so happy to have a new one. I think my other one is maybe about 2 to 3 years old. Next, and I'm so grateful for this, she sent me over a wig stand. So basically what you do with this, I think it goes, yeah, this way. You put it inside. And I do have some wig stands, but they're the styrofoam heads. So I really am can't wait to use this. And I'll use this, of course, on my new unit. So it looks like that. So happy to have that. Next, of course, we have all of our Kendra's Boutique pamphlets in here. Look how such a baddie she is, y'all. That's Kendra right there. She is such a baddie. This is her as well, and it just goes over all the bundle deals, y'all. So next, I'm so freaking excited about this. I've always wanted to buy one of these at the hair store, and this is a hair it says K hair barb double-sided edge brush. So of course you have like the brush on one side, and then you have the comb on another side. It is great for doing your baby hairs with. So freaking cute. Okay, next, oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. This is, and it came in a plastic. I just took it off so I can show you guys. It is a makeup bag, and guys, the quality is so bomb. Like, it feels so plush. Feels like something you'll get out of dealers, and it's humongous. Oh, Kendra, thank you so much. I'm so excited about this. Oh my God. Okay, and before we get to the hair, I think I've seen another goodie in here. Oh, I see 2 more goodies. So the next one is this. This is the Kendra's Boutique hair scarf. And y'all, I make units now for people, and one of the girls that I recommended that she did Kendra, she sent me over her hair to make a wig, and I seen she had this scarf, and I was like, I was so, oh my gosh, y'all, I can't wait to wear this. Y'all, I can't wait. I'm just feeling myself. I feel luxurious. I am definitely going to be wearing my Kendra's Boutique scarf. I'm so excited, y'all. So excited. And I'm so freaking excited about this next thing I'm about to show you guys. Also, she sent me her legendary Kendra's Boutique robe. Y'all, I see her wear this all the freaking time. Oh, and it's only right that I wear it once I get started on getting the actual wig going. Y'all, I'm so excited right now. And it's the Kendra's Boutique robe, and it has her logo on the back of the robe. Y'all, I'm so excited. Am I doing too much? I'm sorry. But I'm definitely going to wear this while I'm styling my hair in the next video. So stay tuned for that. And last but not least, what you guys are really here for. Let me fold up my robe, okay? So last but not least, you guys are here for the guest of honor. And this is the full lace wig. It comes in a great box. I got a box like this for my curling set from Kendra's Boutique that I have, and it's magnetized and it opens at the front, y'all. You know, we can always use extra storage. So this is how it comes, and of course on the back it says, I'm a hair barb. I truly am, y'all. I love this company so much. Anytime somebody asks me to recommend like what I recommend, and look at it, it has the same print as the scarf. Anytime somebody asks me to recommend hair, hands down, I'm gonna go for Kendra's Boutique because she's a trusted company, and it's good hair, and it's not cheap hair, but it's way affordable than a lot of other companies. So that's the reason why I go so hard for it. So before I take out, this is how the wig came in a clear packaging, and I'm sorry, on the front It does have the Kendra Boutique logo on it, and it just says kendrasboutique.com, and it also has all of her social medias on it. I'm not quite sure of the length. Let's see if it's on here, because when she asked me what the length, oh my gosh, y'all won't have to bleach the knots on this. The lace on here is like I'm sorry, it came with a little net. The lace on here is like so nice. Like, it's not one of those crazy color lace. Oh my gosh, y'all, this wig feels so freaking good. Oh my, she's about to put me out of business on wig making. This wig is so nice. Look at that. Her hair smells good as always. Look at the baby hairs on there. Oh my gosh, y'all, I am shook. Y'all, I want to say this may be a good, I'm thinking maybe 22, 24, maybe 22, 24 inches. Oh my gosh, y'all, I am shook. Okay, so let's get into the details of the wig. This is so gorgeous, y'all. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. Like, I am so happy to have this. Oh my gosh, y'all, the color of the lace, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's almost like a light brown color, to where you wouldn't have to tint your lace. So nice. And just a quick disclaimer, y'all, I'm not the one that likes to bleach my knots. I just don't like to do that because it damages the hair and it makes the hair thin out. And I'm thinking that's what happened to my deep wavy one, because I went all those years without bleaching it, and then all of a sudden, a couple years after I made it, I bleached it. And as you pull it and as you adjust it on your head, little hairs come out. Even with this wig here, I don't even pluck like my part. All I do is just take powder, your skin tone powder, and put it wherever the lace is, and bam, because over time the hair does start to thin out. Even with this wig, you wouldn't have to pluck the hairline as much because it's already pre-plucked. You guys, this wig is bomb.com. Y'all, I can't wait to show you guys in the next video how I'm going to style it. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at those. Look at that. So when I wet her and put some product, oh my gosh, and please be limited with the product. If you're gonna overdo it with the product, make sure you are co-washing your hair, okay? I will tell you that. Oh my gosh, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video there. This is end of the unboxing, and on my next video I will show you guys on how I'm going to style this hair. Again, thanks everybody who has supported me with my YouTube journey here, and I thank you guys so much for sticking with me. I know I haven't been as consistent. I know and I'm getting better. I'm trying to do better, but I thank you guys so much. And again, thank you so much to Kendra so much for supporting me and my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next upcoming video, and it'll be very soon with this gorgeous doll here. I can't wait to show you guys how I'm going to style her, okay? So big kisses, and I'll see you guys in the next video.